this program will take the input of a number, and every 3 digits backwards, it will add a period. Just like in real life, you would add a comma every 3 digits to make it easier to read. So the program will take that. I'll have a function separator, which will take the input of that number, and it'll have a count which starts off as nothing, and output that starts off as empty. If the number is 0, it will return 0, because there's no 3 digits, and that's just how the program works. While the number is not equal to 0. The reason it does this is it'll be dividing by 0, then rounding down to get rid of the last number, and then when it gets to the final number, by dividing it by 10 again, rounding down, it will then become 0. So while it's not 0, if count is equal to 3, count will count how many times we add something, and then how many when we add a period. You'll insert to the start of the array a string version of num modulo 10. The number modulo 10 would be the final digit, and modulo 10 means the remainder of it being divided by 10. So that's what num modulo 10 is the final digit. It would then get rid of the final digit by dividing it by 10, then rounding it down in case of decimals. It would then increment count, and if it becomes 3, it will add a decimal to the start of it, and it will make count back to 0. It will keep on doing this until it leaves, where it will make it a string and return the output. So for this case, it will have output. It would get modulo 10 would be 1, then divide by 10, rounding down, so get rid of the 1, and then increments count. It'll do that again with 2, and again with 0. Just after that, count would be 3, so it'll add a period, and then it would do that again, and then it would leave, because when dividing by this again, it becomes a 0, so it leaves a while loop. It will then join it, which makes it a string, and then return the output. It will A will call the function and get its output, and then it will print it, which in this case would be 1.021.